After watching this video, you'll be much more proficient at on-page SEO, and you can use what I'm about to teach you to improve your content so that it can rank higher in search engines. Okay, so this is the on-page SEO checklist with the essential elements that you'll need to know to become better at optimizing your pages. And you want to make sure that these elements are targeting a specific keyword or a search phrase or topic that you want to rank higher for in search engines. I would say one of the most important on-page SEO elements would be your page title. The page title helps searchers know exactly what your page is going to be about. So you want to make sure your page title has the keyword in it. And the blue links that you see here in the organic search results are the page titles. So you could see how important it is to make sure you have your target keyword in them. Next, you want to make sure you have the keyword in your page URL. And it should be the same as the keyword in your page title. The page URL also shows up in the search results as well. So you want to make sure it's clear and it's not too long with random characters that search engines or searchers really don't understand. So you want to make sure it's short and has your target keyword. Next, we have the H1 and H2 tags. So these are headers that you would put on the body of your page to split up and organize the page content. This helps readers better skim the content and find exactly what they are looking for as they are reading the page. These headers should be descriptive as well, and the words in the headers should reflect the page title and provide additional insight, detail as to what the topic you're talking about is. Next, we have the body copy. So you want to make sure you do have your target search phrases in the body copy and make sure it's easy to read. You don't want the text to be too small, or you don't want the text to be a similar color as the background, for example. So you want it to be very legible and easy to read. Next is the page description. So the page description isn't on the actual page itself, but it will be shown in the search results. So if you take a look here under this organic listing, the title, you can see the page description is below the page title. So this is the page description here. And then this is another example of the page description. So you want to make sure that it describes what your page is about. And you want to encourage people to click on your search results and land on your page and read your page, right? So make sure it is descriptive, it has keywords in them, and that it nicely plays off of your page title. Next, we have the alt image tags, and I'll show you how to check them in a moment. So these image tags basically describe what the images on your page are about. It helps search engines understand the images, and you have a better chance of ranking in the image search in search engines as well. So it's important to have alt image tags. Also, make sure you have internal and external links, and make sure your page is as helpful as possible by incorporating relevant images and video. So I just want to start by visiting a website to show you how to check all of the elements, all right? And I searched for dental implants Los Angeles, and I came across two really nicely optimized organic results. We can see the search phrase is in the title of these two results. So dental implants and cosmetic dentistry in Los Angeles. The second one is dental implants Los Angeles. So it's a direct keyword from the search phrase up here. The page descriptions are nicely written out as well. So this first one says, get top quality dental implants, cosmetic surgery, and oral surgery in Los Angeles. Advanced care with cutting edge technology, call today. So that's a mini call to action. And then this second one says, our doctors are trained, skilled, and uniquely qualified to handle procedures involving dental implants in Los Angeles. So they are really targeting dental implants Los Angeles in both of these results here. So I'm going to open up this page. So we already took at the page title and description. Now take a look at this URL. So it says dental implants in Los Angeles. So it's nicely optimized for that keyword. Now let's take a look at this content. One tool that I like to use to audit or review a page's on-page SEO is SEO Minion. So this is a browser extension that you can install for Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. So for any page, if you click on the SEO Minion extension, then click on Analyze On-Page SEO, you can view all of these on-page SEO elements right over here. We can see a list of all of the headings. So this is the H1, and the heading is Dental Implants Los Angeles. So again, targeting this search phrase. And then if you click on this light bulb, you can see exactly where it is on the page. And let's take a look at these H2s. So why are dental implants the preferred method of tooth replacement, benefits of dental implants, so on and so forth. So it's really nice to see them add these really descriptive and helpful H2 tags within the body of this page, right? So it's very easy to skim. And if you're looking for something specific, you can scroll through here and see what you want. Say, for example, disadvantages. You could easily take a look at the disadvantages right over here. And in terms of the alt image tags, you could see here there are a total of 9 images, but 4 images do not have the alt text. Now, if you click on show, you could view those images that don't have the alt text. But if you want to see the actual alt text for the other images, what you could do is right click on this page and click on view page source. So this is the HTML code of the page, and you want to search for image alt. And you could see here within these quotes, these are the alt image tags. So we have one right here. This is a second one. Now let's take a look at the other alt image tags. There's another one right there, but there are a handful that do not have the alt image tags, right? So if you want to take a look at those specific URLs, you can take a look here. So it's this image, the second one, the third, and the fourth one, right? Now to update the alt image tags, you would need to use a SEO plugin, a WordPress SEO plugin to update those alt image tags. So it's very simple to update. Okay, so we are almost done with our on-page SEO checklist. Next, let's take a look at the body copy. I think the body copy is really nicely written out. You have large text. It's easy to read. You see some bullet points here. It's not just a wall of text, right? The paragraphs are really nice and short. There's some more bullet points. And in terms of the target search phrase, dental implants Los Angeles, it looks like that keyword is mentioned 2 times. So the H1 and also this bit of text right over here. I really like how this page doesn't go overboard. You don't want to keyword stuff and mention your main target keyword too many times in the body copy. This is a great example. They only mentioned it 2 times, and I think it really is good enough. The other headings are really nice and descriptive, and just mentioning the target keyword just a couple of times doesn't make it look spammy or anything like that. And the last 2 elements are the internal, external links and helpful images and video. So to make your page more helpful and relevant, you want to link to other pages on your website and other helpful articles that are not on your website. So to take a look at the external and internal links, I'm going to click on Highlight All Links, and we could see here all of the links are highlighted. So right now you could see external is checked. There's 27 external links. So dental implants have a 95 to 98% success rate. So this is linking out to an external page. We can also click on internal to take a look at all of the internal links. And this is an internal link, or be willing to have a bone graft. So I believe they are linking to their bone graft page on their website. And lastly, you want to make sure that aside from text, you want to add relevant images and video to help people understand the topic at hand. So this is a really nice kind of like a chart infographic style image. This compares the various tooth replacement types that patients can go for. And they also included a couple of videos that they can watch as well. Now on the flip side, I want to show you a page that isn't too well optimized so you can compare the two. So I was just kind of scrolling. I went to page 7 of Google and I found this one right here. So at first glance, it says dental implants Los Angeles, which is exactly the same as the search phrase. So you would think that it's optimized. Even the page description looks to be nice. Now let's open it. Now this is the page and immediately you could see it's not as easy to read, easy to skim, I would say. It looks like they have a single row, but then each row has sometimes 2 columns. Now let's take a look at SEO Minion, Analyze on-page SEO. So in terms of the URL, you could see it is much longer than the other one, right? So this one says, dental implants in Los Angeles and Beverly Hills, California / dental implants Los Angeles. So it looks like they are targeting Los Angeles and Beverly Hills, but then this page is just targeting Los Angeles. So it's a little confusing in terms of the location. So you want to make sure you only have one location in the URL. And if you take a look at the headings, they have 2 H1s, but there are no H2 tags. So that is a problem. Now, as I'm taking a look at this body copy, I see quite a bit of, it looks like keyword stuffing, right? So you see dental implants Los Angeles, high-end dental implants Los Angeles. Now let's continue to see different variations of dental implants Los Angeles, dental implant specialist Los Angeles. So it looks like they are keyword stuffing here, right? So they are mentioning that target keyword way too many times. And just reading the copy, it looks really redundant and sometimes a little spammy as well. So you don't want to overuse your target keyword. All right, so hopefully you have a much better understanding of how to optimize your on-page SEO. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button for us. Also subscribe to our channel. And if you want to check out some additional videos, feel free to click any of the ones on the screen. Thank you, and we will see you in the next one.